The bait that I'm really excited about to finally come out, and the one that I've been using today, is the Berkley Finisher. Now this bait is in the glide bait realm of baits, but the first thing you're gonna notice is this bait has no fin, and that's one thing that I'm really happy about, because at the end of the day, you don't have to worry about the durability of this finisher because you're not having to worry about the breakage of those fins like other glide baits. The next best thing is we have 2 treble hooks on here, and that's always been a big thing to me with glide baits is your hooking percentage to landing ratio is never that great when you come to using other glide baits. Now with this finisher, those 2 treble hooks are just like a crankbait. They just have a lot better hooking percentage and landing it in the boat at the end of the day. Now this finisher comes in 3 sizes. This is the number 9 here. It comes in 3/4 ounce size for the number 9. And it has 2 other sizes as well in the finisher family. You have a number 7, which is a 1/2 ounce, and then you have a baby number 5 size here, which is 3/8 ounce. So you have a whole family of baits here in the finisher, but the thing I love the most about this is it has that same darting and fleeing action just like other glide baits that really triggers those summertime fish. And so to me, this is a whole refined bait because you don't have the fin anymore, and you have 2 treble hooks on here, just increasing the odds of your hooking percentage and landing ratio.